Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to delete an autocomplete email address in Gmail. So let's say you're doing a new email here. Normally when you start typing, let's say S, it'll bring up your contacts so you could easily pick from there. But let's say you have all this other stuff that's not in your contacts, like all these support ones I don't have in my contacts, and I don't want them popping up every time. And if you can right click on it, you can't do anything. And if you click on it, it's just going to add it to the email there. And if you open the detailed view, it's just going to open that contact, but it's not going to let you do anything with it. So what you could do, so let's say we want to get rid of the support@canva.com so that it doesn't pop up in our messages anymore. Let's just get rid of this. So you want to go to your Google Contacts, like so. And it's not going to be in your contacts here, so you want to go to Other Contacts. So this is where it keeps all the contacts that it automatically adds for you, which you probably don't want for the most part. So let's see if we could find that Canva one here. So here it is right here. So you can just check it. Go to the three dots over here, click on Delete, and delete it. Okay, so now let's go back over here, do a new email, type in S, and now you can see we don't have that support@canva.com. And of course you could do the same thing for other ones as well. So just as an FYI, for other fields in Google, what you could do is you could hold down Shift and then press the delete key to delete auto entries on there. We have a video on that as well if you want to check that out. So once again, just go to your contacts and then Other Contacts, find the one you want to get rid of and click on the three dots here and delete it, and that should be it. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.